I've been in the workforce for quite a few years now. In that time I'd had an interest in the electrical apprenticeship. At first it was a bit nerve-wracking, like changing careers a little bit later in life. However, having made the jump and coming across, it's been the best decision I've made. So a typical day during my apprenticeship could be turning up at the depot, doing a little bit of preparation for the works ahead, packing tools, equipment, and then travelling throughout the entire state, anywhere from Broken Hill to Haymarket, doing all range of jobs, commissioning, maintenance, testing. It just covers such a wide amount of work, and every day is pretty much different. It truly is. The team's amazing. Everybody wants to help you succeed. They're not there to bring anybody down or make you feel difficult or awkward. They're there to help you. I think just do it. You really would be missing out on a huge opportunity.